Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can extend a big portion of a backdrop like this with the new action set. First of all, I'm gonna try to extend by hand this backdrop, and then we're gonna run the actions. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the marquee tool and I'm gonna select a big portion, something like this, why not? And I'm gonna press Command J. So I create a copy of the selection, this portion. And now I'm gonna press Command T to transform this layer, and I'm gonna extend this like a lot. Alright, we need to do something similar but with the other side. I'm gonna select the background layer, I'm gonna select the marquee tool, I'm gonna do a selection like this, for example. Again, I'm gonna press Command J to duplicate this. As well, you can see this is all the selection and all the new layer. I'm gonna press Command T and extend this portion of the backdrop till the end. Alright, we are pretty good to go with the actions. In this case, I'm gonna use, let's try the number 2. You can use others, but why not? Go with number 2, for example, or in this case, why not? Let's try number 3. So we will, okay, as you can see, all the image is rendered pretty clean. Let me show you before and after really quick, and let's go zoom in to see if we need to mask out anything. I'm pretty sure we will need to, oh no, I said nothing. I thought that we lose some flying hairs, but it looks just fine. And let me see the shadows just in case. Now it also looks good. If it's not the case, you can use a brush inside this layer mask to do not touch any shadow or anything you want to preserve. Maybe it's a good excuse to recover a portion of this light over the bend. So I'm gonna select a brush with black color. I'm gonna go to something around 50% opacity, soft edge, and I'm gonna do something like this. And this is how the layer mask is working. And that's all. Thank you very much, and hope you can learn how you can extend a pretty big portion. Something like this is the before and after. So enjoy it. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.